When you come out to an event like Bridgeland's Holiday in the Park, you really see what community is all about. Families, lights, music, everyone just enjoying the moment together. Of course, all of this takes power, and that's where DuroMax generators comes in. They're helping power this entire event so everything runs smoothly, from the lights to the entertainment. And they're not just about powering the event, they're giving back as well.
Make sure to stop on over at the DuroMax tent and don't miss out at the giveaway for the DuroMax Tri-Fuel Generator. It is worth $3,000. It will power your home and it will also power the AC in your house.
So a big thank you to DuroMax for helping make nights like this possible. Events like this bring people together, and having reliable power behind it all helps the whole community shine.